Hey guys, it's JT Works on Cars. Today I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter in a 2013 to 2020 Lexus GS350. This also applies to the GS450H models, which is basically the hybrid version. The WITS part number is going to be WP 199. So to do that, you just pop open your glove box. You remove this, it just literally pulls up. See that? It clicks, the tab goes into there. And there's two indents right there. And to open the cabin air filter, you pull these two back, and boom. Let's see. You pull this back, and you pull that back. So you gotta do that with two hands. It's easier to do with two hands, but it's possible to do with one hand. But wow. This is only a 1-year-old filter, as you can see. Pollen season and fall season and fall can kill your filters pretty fast. So now you take this out and make note of the airflow. The airflow is upwards. So to take this out, you push it to the side like that. See that? Push it to the side and you take it out. So this filter is capooched. Just gonna throw it on the ground for now. Remember, airflow is up. Now you take the new filter. Sorry for my ugly feet. Make note of the airflow. Airflow is up. And you want to match it with up. Then you put it the same way in. So you slide it in like that. See that? You slide it in like that. Then you push in the sides like that. Boom. Hold up. Something's binding. Not sure what it is. Let me pause. Alright, so basically I just have to push a little bit more down in the middle. And as you can see, airflow up, airflow up. So now you stick the filter back in. Just like that. You put this little cabin air filter cover back on. Gonna get out some of the debris. So you stick it in like that. See that? You stick it in. Clips into place. Like this. Match the two prongs to those two holes right here. Like that. Then you push. Let's see how you do this. You can push sideways in, I believe. Hold up. I'm right-handed, so. There. There. Now that's all the way in. And that's a cabin air filter job done. I'm gonna vacuum that out a little bit, but that's how you do your cabin air filter on your 4th generation GS350 and GS450H years 2013 to 2020. This process applies to a lot of Lexus models too, such as the IS lineup, the ES lineup, the LS lineup. I'm not sure about the SUVs, but almost every Lexus, it's pretty much done through the glove box like that. This also applies to the previous generations IS250s and IS350s years, I believe, 06 to 2013. In the previous generations, GS300, and what was the other motor they used? There's a 300 where it was like the 3-liter V6. Oh, there's also a 350. Yeah, I forgot. Previous generation 350s. I believe that's also 06 to 13. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my video that I made in the dark at 1 a.m. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.